Hi, Chris here for Tech and welcome to the channel, where today I speak about Epic's special and free games. So let's get started now. Epic. Why? Because they have two free games that are quite nice. One, it's Overcooked. It's very unusual, but I can tell you it's a good game. Alright, so I'm going to get it because it's free. Alright. So this is how it goes. Yes, loading my order. Okay. I'm just looking if it's free because depending on when you are going to watch this video, the promotion may be over. Alright, so now I own it, as simple as that. I go back home. So that was for Overcook. Now if we go to home, there is another one I want to the store. There is another one I want to show you, and it's this one, SLUDGE Live. It's free. I can get it. It's as simple as that. This game mature content, so it's not for everyone. One thing to note is that you are not forced to install the game. Once you own them, they can stay in your library. Right, let it load. Make sure it's free always. Okay, place order. Thank you. Now I have another game that has been added to my library, but the other game is not here. Okay, so let's go home to find the second one who comes out in 3D. Will be Troy. It will be ready on the 13th of August and it will be ready only for 24 hours. So if it's like GTA 5, maybe it won't be possible for you to do, guys, but just a head up. I do not put the music, otherwise this content will be flagged by the YouTube algorithm, and I do not want to be monetized, although I'm not yet. But just in case, for the future. This is what we are now. Political correctness is very, very troublesome. Anyway, just enjoy. I'm going to cut it here because there is no point, no music. If you like this video, you know what to do with your YouTube things. Press the like button. You can also subscribe if you want to, and press the bell icon if you want to be notified. However, if you did not like this heads up, as I will call it, just leave a comment and tell me why you do not like it. I hope this was useful to you. Stay safe, guys, and bye now.